Says if you do a lawsuit, how long does it take to get done? If you do a lawsuit, how long does it take to get done? That's a good question. So many times, if your immigration application is taking a very long time, sometimes outside of normal processing times, I would suggest that you think about or consider filing a lawsuit. It's a federal lawsuit against the Department of State or the Department of Homeland Security to process your application faster. Essentially, you want a decision on your case. All government agencies are required to be reasonable in the time frame of processing your immigration applications, right? So if they're taking too long, you have the option of suing the government, and all you're asking for at that point is essentially for them to make a decision on your case. So you really want to assess whether you have a strong case before you do this, because all you're asking for is a decision, forcing a decision on that case. If you have a weak case and you're relying on a work permit, for example, many people file a weak asylum application and they're using this work permit, you may not want to get a decision on that case, because the longer it goes, the longer you'll have work authorization, right? So strategically, you want to be careful about filing a federal lawsuit. You want to make sure you have a strong case and understand that you're not asking for a win. You're asking pretty much for a decision. It could be any decision. Okay? I hope that is helpful. If your cases are taking too long, if you want to know more about your immigration options, feel free to reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663.